Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And while typically I would address the House on much more serious subjects today, it's a slightly lighter subject that I'm here to address. Much to my regret, I'm here, Mr. Speaker, and standing before you to congratulate my dear friend and classmate from Massachusetts, Mr. Kennedy, and his Boston Red Sox on their American League Championship Series win over my beloved Detroit Tigers. In accord with our gentleman's agreement, today I am wearing the gentleman's rather unsightly Boston Red Sox tie, which is painful to say the least. Although the Tigers did not make it to the World Series this year, I do want to say how proud I am of our players, of our team, of our state, and seriously and specifically of Jim Leyland, who after 2 World Series, 4 American League Championship Series, 8 years as our manager, announced his retirement this week. Jim, I am sure I speak for all Michiganders and all baseball fans in saying that we are proud to have you retire as a Detroit Tiger. To Michigan and specifically to Detroit, the Tigers have always meant more than just baseball. Year after year, their perseverance and grit through really tough times for both the team and for the city, that perseverance has been emblematic of the determination and resilience of Detroiters and Michiganders. Tiger baseball has provided hope and instilled a sense of pride in the city and in the state that has surely seen its share of difficulties. Their performance and their wins have not certainly erased the challenges that we face, but it's given the community and our state a lift. Like the team, Detroit and Michigan has always had hope for the next season. I love my Detroit Tigers and appreciate all they mean to the great state of Michigan, and to Jim Leyland and our amazing team. Bless you, boys. So today, regrettably but sincerely, I salute my colleague from Massachusetts and his winning team, the Boston Red Sox. I had hoped for a different outcome, but nonetheless, a win is a win. Joe, congratulations to you and to the Red Sox. I yield back.